Okay, let's start with this last question. Question 8. Ask user for their birth year and print out the generation nickname. Here we have a problem since these numbers are not consecutive. For example, it goes from 1901 to 1924, but 25, 26 is missing here, and 28 to 24, 26, 24, and here, and for example, 1956 will belong to both baby boomers and generation Jones. We have a problem here, but we will fill according to this table, even though it is not very correct. Okay, let's start with our question again and file, and let me look at here generation nickname. Come back, right, question 0.8, and we are using everyone in the lowercase, therefore this is generation nickname, and let me save it as a generation nickname, and we start with the birth year. Str birth year, since the birth year is always coming from the input, always we are getting please enter your birth year. Okay, let's give it, and we need to change this one to birth year, and since it is a full number we need to change this str birth year. Let me print it birth year, and see if it is working. F5, here it is saying 1977. Okay, birth year is 1977. Okay, then we should be able to write this part 91 to 1924. If birth year is okay, and we need to write greater than equal to, and birth year, okay, less than equal to, or sorry, here print you are a, what is it, the greatest generation, you are from greatest generation. Let's see if it is running. Okay, and write 1910. 1910, and then you are from the greatest generation, and the others will be similar. We need to write here 1945, and here the silent generation, we are from the silent generation. Okay, and here come, put it here 1946 to 1964, and we are from baby boomers. And here generation Jones, but the numbers are 1950 to 1965, and here again we need to put 1965 to 1980, and here generation X, and we need to put 97. No. Okay, as I said, 97 to 1983. Zennials. As you can see, for my birthday 1977, here I am all from generation X, also from this Zennials. Okay, then millennials, generation Z. We can fix this part so that they are more, let's say, symmetric. But other than that, this is it. Let me fix millennials, and for that one, 1981 to 1996, and let's fix this one. And here, this is generation Z, and here this is 1997 and 2010. Okay, and we need generation alpha. If your birthday is greater than 2011, okay, you are generation alpha. Okay, so let's run. As you can see, for example, for 97, it says two generation, but since this part is missing, for example, 1927, it says on the birth year 19. Since it is nothing for this table, you need to go back to the customer and ask about what should I print. This guy says no generation. If you are giving a name, these are not, for example, overlap each other and the others. This is actually somehow a, let's say, misleading requirements example.